Hello everyone. In this video we will present our work that has been accepted to the ICCV2025 conference. Our research focuses on multimodal perception large language models, aiming to unify perception tasks of different granularities. This approach achieves superior segmentation performance and demonstrates remarkable generalization capabilities. Perception lies at the very heart of computer vision, and in simple terms, it's about enabling models to look at an image or a video and accurately identify and locate the objects that match a given instruction. Now, perception tasks come in different forms. We can think about them along two main dimensions. Prediction type: do we predict a box or do we predict a mask? Instruction type: are the instructions short keywords or complete sentences? If we combine these two dimensions, we get four distinct groups of perception tasks. However, as we looked into the literature, we found something interesting. While some combinations have been trained together before, no one has really explored joint training across all four groups in a unified way. That gap inspired our work. We introduce a framework called MVPLM, short for multi-granular and versatile perception with large language models. This single model is centered around a large language model, LLM, and it can detect and segment target objects in response to any type of instruction, whether it's a keyword, a natural sentence, a bounding box task, or a mask-based task. To make this possible, we turn to a chain of thought AI-inspired data curation process. In practice, this means on the input side, various types of perception datasets, some with box annotations, some with mask annotations, and transform them into a unified supervised fine-tuning format. Within these sequences, we insert special tokens that enable the LLM to learn and extract specific types of information. After this standardized sequence is processed by the LLM, we employ a set of learnable queries to fuse and enhance the LLM's output representation with image features. This fusion produces multimodal features of significantly higher quality. The LLM then generates a chain of thought, COT, style reasoning output, first describing the content of the image and then producing special tokens corresponding to the perception results. Finally, these special tokens, now carrying the perception outputs, are fed into our custom-designed decoder, which generates the final masks and bounding boxes. This lets MVPLM handle a wide range of tasks, including panoptic segmentation, object detection, visual grounding, and referring expression segmentation. Finally, these special tokens, now carrying the perception outputs, are fed into our custom-designed decoder, which generates the final masks and bounding boxes. This lets MVPLM handle a wide range of tasks, including panoptic segmentation, object detection, visual grounding, and referring expression segmentation. Our experiments demonstrate that the proposed model achieves superior PQ scores on word-based perception tasks and exhibits stronger cross-task generalization capability on sentence-based perception tasks. In addition, our ablation studies reveal several key findings. Joint training with multiple datasets effectively enhances the overall capability of the model. Through structural analysis of the model's responses, we observe that forcing the LLM to directly generate only the objects already present in the image leads to degraded segmentation performance, whereas prompting the model to generate descriptive content of the image helps improve segmentation quality. With regard to the query selection mechanism, using 100 queries yields the best performance. Furthermore, removing the query selection mechanism results in a significant drop in PQ scores for segmentation tasks. Finally, we present a visualization of selected model outputs, covering both word-based and sentence-based perception tasks across 3 datasets. Thank you all, and looking forward to seeing you at Hawaii Convention Center.